Swallow this, fall asleep almost instantly, stay asleep, and wake up refreshed. Millions of people worldwide face sleeping issues every single night. People suffer from insomnia as well, and it negatively affects their everyday life. However, you should not despair if you are one of them, as there is a completely natural remedy that will restore your sleep and will help you wake up fresh and in a good mood. This miraculous recipe contains only 3 natural ingredients. Its preparation is fast and easy, and it will make you sleep like a baby. Ingredients: 1/4 teaspoon of raw honey, 1/8 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. All of these beneficial ingredients are extremely effective as they will relax your mind and body. Preparation and use. For best results, you should consume this powerful mixture at bedtime. There are 2 ways to consume it. Option 1. Mix the coconut oil and honey and then add the sea salt. Stir and take a spoon of the mixture, then drink a glass of water. Option 2. You can also consume the raw honey and coconut oil separately, and then drink a glass of water. Afterward, add the salt in a glass of water and drink it as well. In case you wake up during the night, take this sleeping remedy again, and you will fall asleep again in less than half an hour. Despite being sweet, honey does not raise the sugar levels, and it helps you fall asleep easily. On the other hand, coconut oil energizes the body and provides a feeling of satiety, which will help you avoid the hunger in the morning. It will also prevent blood sugar levels spike during the night, which is the main reason why we wake up. The salt will also help you lower the stress hormone levels and will provide energy.